Relative to the video that is in the public space of a nurse being assaulted, I want to assure members of the public that the matter is being dealt with and due process will follow. The accused, Mr. Robert Bell, otherwise called Andy Bell, a businessman of a St. Andrew address, was today charged with the following offences: assault occasion actual bodily harm, assault with intent to cause grievous bodily harm, assault at common law, possessing a firearm with intent to commit a first scheduled offence, possession of firearm with intent to cause injury. His court date is pending. These offences were committed on Tuesday, May 13, 2025, about 7:15 p.m. along the Mount Friendship Road in the parish of St. Andrew, while the complainant was on way to work. The now accused was arrested the following day and was charged after a question and answer interview was conducted with him in the presence of his attorney. On Friday, May 16, 2025, the commanding officer, the crime officer, and other members of the St. Andrew North Division met with the complainant, her family, and members of the community, and they were updated on the progress of the investigation. I want to use this medium to thank the public for all the support and concern expressed, and also to encourage all the persons who witnessed this incident to come forward and let all the truth be heard.
The man will beat up a nurse, come to the front line and you me come out. By now, I know I will see the video where the man step up in the nurse head for whatever reason. Me here say I true in touch the woman touching care. That's how me hear, but I don't sure. Then say it look like the man did have all one gun pull out. I don't sure. But regardless of the matter, miss a long time batty man. Jesus Christ. Right? Hey, you see what you do? To the nurse, you're wrong. You know a woman beater. So this is what I go tell all of the nurses at Jamaica. No men buying face. Good. You know what I say to you? When you come to hospital for any sickness, you know, joke up in your ass. Frontline say that. Cause watch the prayer now. I saw you know say them man a woman beater, you know. Cause what in your right mind? I don't know if you have woman, if you have family. You probably have family, woman and kids, and probably disgusting are you. Right now if you see what you do to a woman. You catch on camera. You understand? And for you step up in the woman head, man, it's disgusting. You know, look good. Me here say, then charge you already. That's how me here. But my brother, what you do, you're wrong. What could have prompting for your head? What problem you have on for your head? You will get burned? What problem upon your head that you could have just step up in this woman's head with no mercy, no sympathy? Your Honor, when this man come to court, do me are gonna please and thanks, throw the book at him. You hear what I say to you? You know if you throw the book at him. Because the woman, regardless of the matter of the situation or the argument or how it start, the fact that you, the woman there on the ground and you cannot step up in the woman's head. How no heartless, sir? Against someone, what make you no violence, sir? What make you couldn't just go on your merry mercy way? Whatever the situation is. You see somehow, no? You know, he got too high. And that me realize. I should have one big man. I should have one big man who are willing to beat up your blood clot. But to a woman, girl strength to not have daddy. Or the woman should have one bad man, some bad man relative where we come make you know say, because me say you have license gun. If you make you know say license gun or not, boy, you have to run away. A bullet for bullet. Because what you do to the woman is wrong. People don't just imagine if I did your family, if I did your woman, or if I did your wife, or mother, and then tap up, how are you, man? Corruption. So what you do to the woman, my boss, is wrong. Me not like it. But me yesterday in charge you. So we are going to make a law deal with you. And judge, when you see him, throw the book at him, man. And the man in my prison, want to know what him? Want to beat out him blood clot too. Make him feel what lick feel like. When he did that lick you man and I step up in the woman and I deal with the woman like the woman and nobody upon this earth. See a ego. For people, nurse, I hope you're alright. I hope you can get over your trauma. I hope God bless and protect and guide you. And it's sad to see what happened to you. It's very sad. Because too much women get violated, whether in a relationship, whether just in a regular public. Sometimes I wonder, some of them man think say, woman no value. Brother, them bleed and just like a way. Some people just look for a woman like woman that does one piece of cloth, like a woman that does whatever. Woman does come on this earth does and grind. Me don't know where to get that theory in our head. So no deal with woman any kind of way. Whether in a relationship, whether in a street, him a girl, him a bitch, him a this, him a no nobody. You know if he tappy and come down. No.
It's distasteful. It is disheartening. It is disrespectful. I have no fucking regards. No regards whatsoever for woman and a woman and humanity. Alright? And I'm speaking specifically about that little drunkard where let's see on the video clippings he'll treat the woman a step in her head, fling her down a ground, spit in her face, point your gun on her. You see, there's a certain set of people at Jamaica, you know? Figure say because them have a little money, them can do absolutely anything. You understand? And these people, both men and women, they are criminals. Alright? These people, they didn't get where they are by working hard, but through engaging in criminal activity. You understand? And that is why they don't have any respect for themselves. They don't have any respect for their mothers. They don't have any respect for their daughters. They don't have any respect for their grandmothers. You know, they have absolutely no respect at all. You understand? And them worship vanity. And based on my understanding, it's not even as if say the lady hit your car. You understand? You live on the road driving in an erratic manner, and she is going about her business because she's a working class. Time for sit down on the street, and whether it is that you're drunk or whatever, for they behind you and make you do whatever you feel. Please. You understand? But Mr. Robert Hall or whatever your name is, I hope the long arm of the law deal with you the way how you ought to be dealt with. You understand? And I hope when you go to court, I hope the judge throw the entire book at you. You understand? And I'm not here to promote violence, but you need to remember, say, that woman that you treat like how you probably treat a doormat. Maybe not even a doormat in a treat you. You understand? The woman where you step on, you must remember that more than likely she's somebody's wife. She's somebody's mother. You understand? And I'm sure that person, that son, that husband, that boyfriend, you understand? Even our friend, them supposed to see the video and them not feel pleased. You understand? Them not feel pleased. And don't be surprised if them try to treat you in the same manner that you treated her. You understand? The disregard we have for women. You understand? I bet you say if it was a man, you wouldn't try that. You understand? I'm pretty sure you couldn't try with me. And 95% of the man in Jamaica, you couldn't try with them. You understand? Regardless of the fact that you have your gun. You understand? You couldn't try it. You understand? But just because you come out and you saw that it was a female. You understand? But as we say, I hope the law take its course. And when I watch this one, you need to lose that gun. You're not supposed to carry a gun. You understand? You definitely need to lose that fire. You understand? And I'm making this appeal to all the men out there who prey upon, continue to prey upon the females. Leave the females them alone, man. I mean, maybe I'm gonna condole anything, but you know, sometimes you're young and some things go down, but you're a grown-ass man. You understand? You shouldn't be doing anything like that at this stage of your life, at this stage of the game. You understand? How can you do that? You understand? But as I said, it will come right back round in a circle. Yeah, man, it will come right back round in a circle. You understand? Right back round in a circle. It's gonna come. Alright? And I don't hear much about the female, but I hope that she's recuperating and she didn't sustain any serious injury. You understand? And again, all the man them, if you don't want to fight, look somebody will look like a man. Go fight a man and then thump out to your teeth.